So tying a high boy, we're going to start by showing you a tie where you're going to have it higher on the table and just tying it in a bow. So when you have the high boy, first of all with the linen, when you drop the linen, depending on the size of your high boy top, or cabaret table as some people refer to it, or high cocktail table, you're going to need to watch and see kind of how the fabric falls. This top is only 24 inches, and we're using a 132-inch round linen. So really we can center this and still have enough to cover the feet once it's tied. If you have something like a 30 or 36, you're going to want to off-center the linen a little bit. What you'll end up doing is probably pulling it to where on one side it's just about touching the ground, and that will be really kind of the back part of the high boy. So wherever they're entering from, the guests are entering from, have that on the reverse side. So first things first, you're going to, again, just like on a chair, take it at the halfway point. I like to fold it in half as well, just so you don't have as much material that you're working with. And then you're just going to take it, just again like the chair tie, we're going to pull it to meet, and then pull it up to the top as tight as it'll go. So from here, you're going to take it just like a normal chair tie. So left side, crossing over the right, and behind the knot, and flip it over, and pull it tight. Then you're going to loop the left. Take that right side behind the loop and then round it so it grabs with those fingers, and then pull the loop off, pull the other loop behind. And then you're going to open the ears. Like so. You will have a little bit of a bigger bow in the high boys just because there's so much area that you're working with. And then you just want to make sure that you fluff the fabric at the base, so that you're covering the legs. And that's just the high tie for the high boy.